Hello students, welcome to the session. Today's topic for the session is laws of exponents for real number from your chapter number system. Okay, so let us understand what are the exponents. So we know that what is a to the power n means a to the power n. So this is our base, this is a called our base and this is n is called our exponent or power. So we can write like a to the power n means a into a up to how many n times. N times we can write like this. So if you have any number like 2 to the power 3, that means what? 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So this power represents how many times you can expand your base. Okay. So if it is written 3 by 2 to the power 3. So we can write this as 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Further we will multiply 27 by 8 and further we will multiply this also 8. So these are your exponential form. Now if it is written 2 to the power minus 3, in this sense how we will open this? First of all we will make the power positive. So how to make the power positive? By reciprocating the base. By reciprocating the base means you have to reciprocal the base only. If it is 2 by 1, you have to write 1 by 2. 2 power is 3. So now you write 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That means 1 by 8. This is our first. So if you have negative power, first convert it into positive power. Okay. Now there are some laws. First law is your, if you have same base, power different. When bases are same, powers are added. Powers are added. This is your first law. When bases are same, powers are added. So when bases are same, powers are added. For example, if you have 5 square into 5 4, this will be written as 5. Since base are same, you have to just add the power. So it will be 5 to the power 6. Okay. If you have 5 to the power 8 into 5 to the power 3. So this will be written as 5 to the power 8 plus 3. That is 5 to the power 11. So when your base are same, powers are there. Again, if you have an example like 5 to the power 8 into 5 to the power minus 3. So what you will do? You have to add the base, add the powers. So in power representation addition, it will be written like a plus b. Okay, so we are adding. Now we know two signs cannot come together. So out of this plus and minus, minus will dominate, plus minus and minus will come. So this is 5 to the power 5. This is how you have to use this law. When your base are same, base is a, add the power. Okay, base will be same overall, but your answer will come on adding the powers. Now, next law is when you have a b to the power n, you can split it. You can split it. You can give the power to a also, power to b also. Similarly, if you have a by b in fraction form, you can give this to like this. Okay. So ab whole to the power n means a to the power n, b to the power n. Just split the powers, give the power to each term. Similarly, in the multiplication case and in the division case, both cases we will do like this. Okay, and also remember here b is not equals to c. It's like if you have 3 by 11 to the power n, 3 by 11 to the power 4. So this will be written as 3 to the power 4 by 11 to the power 4 by this law. So this will be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and this will be written as 11 into 11 into 11 into 11. Okay. So this is the representation of this type of number. But if you have 2 into 5 to the power 5, what you will do? Now since this is in multiplication case, okay. So this is ab to the power n type. This is ab to the power n. This is first term is your a, second term is your b. So we will distribute the power to each term. So this will be 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power. Okay, this is our this representation, a to the power n, b to the power n. So you have to see whether whatever format is given, just split the powers to each terms. Okay, if it is in combined form, you have to remember to give each term the powers. But if you have the powers, same powers to each individual term, then you can give the power collectively to the whole term. Okay. Now let's see some examples. If I have 1 by 5 to the power 5, 1 by 2 to the power 5 into minus 2 by 3 to the power 4 into 3 by 5 to the power minus 1. So what we will do here? See, we know that it is in combined form, we can give power to each term. So 1 to the power 5 by 2 to the power 5 into minus 2 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power minus 1 upon 5 to the power minus 1. Okay. So 1 to the power 5 is 1 by 2 to the power 5, just like write 2 to the power as it is. So minus 2 to the power 4 means, okay, you can write in splitted form, it will be easy. So since 2 to the power 5 means what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Since the power is small, we can open it. So minus 2 to the power 4 means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 upon 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. And since the powers are negative here, we will write their reciprocal form. Okay, they will be written as reciprocal form. So 3 to the power minus 1 will be written as 1 by 3, and 5 to the power minus 1 will be written as 5 by 1. In numerator, it will be. So now cancel it. Minus 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 will get cancelled. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be a 5 upon how many powers of 3? 3 to the 1, 2, 3, 4. 27, 27, 3, 81, 243. 243 into 2. So we will have 243 into 2. So this is a 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8, 5 by 86. Okay. So we will have this answer. So if power is in negative, so you can do it here also, reciprocate the base. Reciprocate the base should be necessary. Otherwise, if it is 5 to the power minus 1 written, so this means what? 1 upon, we have to reciprocate it here only. So 5 by 1 will be written like 1 by 5. And since it is 1 by 5, we have to take this in the numerator. So what will be the logic? This 1 by 5, again it will be reciprocate, but it will be written as 5 by 5. I hope you understood the topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through my Urban Pro profile. Till then, revise and let's meet in the next session. Thank you.